Here is the Kia Forte. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. That's light. The way to access it is behind this fabric cover. We need to get it out. For that, we need to get these two clips out. Get a flathead screwdriver and use that to pry out the middle part of the clip, and then grab the clip and pull it out completely. Let's get the second clip out as well that way. And now we can peel this cover back, and that gives us access to the three nuts which are holding the light in place. 1, 2 and 3. These are 10mm nuts. You can either use a socket ratchet combination like this or a 10mm wrench. Either one of them works. Let's go ahead and get these three nuts off one by one and keep them somewhere safe. 1, 2 and 3. Now push on that stud and you should be able to just pop it out with your thumb. If not, just use that ratchet to sort of push on it and pop it off. Also, let's get this wire out of there, and now you'll be able to get the light out of the body. Just get this wire out from behind that hook over there, and now the bulb holder, just twist it left and then out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb size is 168, 194 or T10. Check the link in description if you want to upgrade to an LED bulb. Get the new bulb and push it in to secure it. Let's put it back in the light. And over here you may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder just drops in the light like this. Right? And at this point twist your right to lock it. And let's not forget to put that wire back behind the hook. That is good. Now 1, 2 and 3, that's where the 3 studs go in. And before we do that, let's just make sure that this wire seal is in its place properly. Just put it back in the way I'm showing. Once it's in place, you should be able to just pull on it and it should not come out. This prevents water and moisture from getting inside there. Now when you put the light back in, you have to sort of coordinate from both the sides, from outside and inside, to make sure the studs are going through the holes. And then let's put the 3 nuts back on the studs and hand tighten them. And now let's go ahead and just tighten them down with the socket ratchet combination or the 10mm wrench, and put the fabric cover back in its place and the clip back in. When you put the clip in, make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out as you're putting it in the holes. That's going to make it easy. And then push the middle part in to secure it, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.